Welcome! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps on how to view the accounts that have been delegated to you on X. If you've recently been given permission to manage or access someone else's account, it's important to know exactly where to find these delegated accounts in the app. The process is simple, but the settings are tucked away, so let's go through it step by step. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon in the top corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu with a list of options related to your account. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all of your account controls and preferences. Inside the settings, look for the section labeled Security and Account Access. This is the area where permissions and account connections are managed. Tap on it to continue. Next, tap on Delegate. This is the specific place where account delegation options are kept. From here, choose the option that says Accounts Delegated to you. This will show you the complete list of accounts that you have been given delegated access to. If someone has added you to help manage their account, this is where you'll see it appear. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily view the accounts that you've been delegated on X. This feature is especially helpful for people who handle multiple accounts, such as teams, businesses, or creators who want to share access with trusted individuals without sharing login details. Remember, delegation is designed to keep accounts secure while making collaboration easier. So, if you ever need to confirm which accounts you have access to, just follow these quick steps. Now you know exactly how to find your delegated accounts in the updated version of the X app. Thanks for watching.